When people think of injury cases, the first thing that usually comes to mind are car wrecks, not plane crashes. And statistically speaking, you are more likely to be injured in a car than flying on a plane. But if you are involved in a plane crash, chances are the injuries will be much more severe and likely involve death. The common causes for plane crashes include human error, usually from pilots, mechanics, or air traffic controllers, mechanical failure, usually caused by some problem with the engine, the flight equipment, or landing gear, weather, or an intentional acts to crash a plane. When a plane crash happens, the National Transportation Safety Board investigates the crash, collecting data and interviewing witnesses to determine what happened in the crash, looking for a cause to make sure it doesn't happen again in the future. While they're looking for the cause of what happened in the crash, the NTSB may not necessarily be looking for who may be at fault for causing the crash. For crashes involving commercial air transportation, the parties who may be responsible include the airline, the aircraft manufacturer, and possibly even air traffic controllers. They are required to follow Federal Aviation Administration regulations. If they don't, they put passenger safety at risk. For private flights, small single-engine planes have a higher accident rate than commercial airliners. The people who may be responsible for the crash include the pilot, the owner of the airplane, and the plane's manufacturer. Pilot error and weather conditions are the primary causes for these types of crashes. Helicopters can be much more dangerous than airplanes. They are smaller, more susceptible to changes in weather, and are generally not guided by air traffic controllers. In addition, helicopter pilots are not required to have the same level of training or experience as airline pilots. Aviation cases are complex and need a highly experienced legal team. Here at James Scott Farrin, we have the resources, technology, and experience to help you with your aviation case. Our goal is to get our clients' lives back on track. Give us a call. We're here to help.